All right, so this is part 2 of our HTML question and answer. So HTML basics. So today we're looking at headings, lines, and comments. And so let's get right into it. So headings, as you guys can see in HTML, we have heading 1 up to heading 6. Level 1 heading is H1, level 6 heading is H6. H1 is the biggest one, and H6 is the smallest one, and then the others come in between respectively. So the question here is, what tags are used to indicate headings? So H1 to H6, right? So that's what we use. Okay, so the next question is going to be, how do you create a horizontal line in HTML? So horizontal line, we use an HR rule. So down here, you got to say HR, just like that. And it's a self-containing tag, and so you put this / right in front there. So check it out. That's the answer. So the next question, make the text an HTML comment. And so comments, you use angle bracket, exclamation mark, dash dash, and then dash dash, angle bracket, just like that. That's a comment. That's how you comment in HTML. So check that out. Yeah, that's the answer. All right, so moving on, paragraphs. You saw we use the P, opening and closing tag. So let's check out this question. Drag and drop from the options below to create paragraphs. So P, obviously this P, and then this one. So they are just testing our knowledge of opening and closing tags, right? Yeah, so the closing tag always has that /. Check it out, that's it. And then here, what tag is used to create a line break without an extra space between the text blocks? BR, so we use the BR tag to create line breaks. Fill in the blanks. So over here it's going to be a P. So in this one, this is a line break, so we gotta say BR, and that's it. Check it out, we done it, you know. So next up, we're looking at text formatting. So text formatting, we're looking at bold, big, italic, small, strong, subscripted, superscripted, inserted, and then deleted. And so all these is about text formatting. So B is for bold, big, big, I, italic, small, small, and then strong, strong, subscripted, superscripted, and then inserted, and then del for delete, just like that. So the question is, which two tags below make the text really bold? B and strong, right? Yeah, so that's what makes the text bold. Let's see, the last question on this one. Here we have to say strong, and then / obviously for strong, and then subscripted, sub again. Yeah, that's how you do it, subscripted. So check it out. Yeah, that's it. That's text formatting. So we're done with text formatting. Here we're moving on to this part. We have one question over here. So fill in the blanks to form a valid HTML. So here we got italic, and then here we got a / P. That's it. We're done. So we're looking at what we already have, and then we're going to come up with the answers. Check that out. That's it. Moving on forward, elements, HTML elements. Let's check the question. General HTML elements consist of opening tag, content, and closing tag. This is the general HTML elements. But of course, we have some other elements that are not general. Okay, moving on to the next question. Fill in the blanks. We're supposed to have the head, right? So head, inside the head, we have the title, right? Title. So head, and then nested inside is the title, and then we have the name of the title here. So check it out. That's it. After elements, we're moving on to attributes. So attributes provide additional information about an element or a tag, while also modifying them. So provide information and they modify. The value modifies the attribute. So most attributes have a value. The value modifies the attribute. So let's check out this question. What is the role of an attribute in HTML? It modifies the tag. Yeah, that's what it does. So we saw that. This is straightforward. Next question. What measurement units can be used for the width attribute? Pixel and percentage. That's what is used. Next question. What attribute is used to align the contents of an element to the right, center, or left? It's align. That is the attribute. You just align and then you give a value of right, center, or left. Last question. Here, P, align. Of course, an attribute is placed in the opening tag. So that's why we have P here, and then you can write your attributes in here. Check it out. That's the correct answer. Okay, done with attributes. Images. This is the next part. So an image has to have an image and then a source. It's a self-containing tag. You don't need a closing tag. So let's check this out. What tag should be used to add an image? img for image. It's a self-containing tag, so that's it. Next question. What attribute should be used to add an image URL? So this is the location of the image, so we use src, the source. Check that out. That's the correct answer. Next question. What two attributes can be used to resize images inside HTML code? So width and height. These are the two attributes that we use to resize images. Fill in the blank. Image, src here, src for the source. And then this is the name of the image that we want. And then we have an alternative text. So check this out. Let's go to lists. HTML ordered lists. Ordered lists, we use the OL tag. As you guys can see down here. And then inside that, we should have lists, list. So let's go and answer the question. Enter the tag corresponding to the list item, li. Li here, check it out. That's the correct answer. The next one. Fill in the blanks. Here we have li, and then here we have ul for an ordered list, because the opening tag is an ordered list, and so we should close it down here. Check it out. That's it. Yeah, so we're done with lists. Next question. Try it out. Fill in the blanks to create a list in which the first item links to Sololearn here. Of course, when we are creating links, we use the A tag, just like that. So that's what we have to do. And here we close, and there we should /li. Because we have an opening li here, we don't have any closing. So this should be the closing one, and then the next one. And then we are nesting a link in here. So check this out. That's it. The next one is going to be, let me see, tables. We're done with lists and that one, and then we have tables. We have 4 questions here. Check it out. Let's see. Creating tables or creating a table. Tables are defined by using the table tag. Tables divided into table rows, tr. Table rows are divided into table columns or table data with the td. So we have table, tr, and then table data. So that's what we have. So let's check the questions. What tag is used to create columns in a row? Table data. That's it. Okay, next one. What attribute is used to expand a cell for 2 or more columns? Correspan. This is used. We use correspan. Fill in the blanks. Table tr here, right? Table row, and then td here, table data, and then we have table down here because we don't have a closing table tag. Table like that, and check this out. Yeah, that's it. The next question. What attribute is used to change the color of a cell? PG color. Yeah, that's what we use, and so you can check that out. Okay, links. Question on the links. What tag is used to create a link into a web page? A. The anchor tag is used here. Let's go. Which attribute of the link tag contains the URL location that you are trying to link to? The href. The last question here. Which value of the target attribute makes the link open in a new tab and a new window? It's _ blank. That's the answer. So you target the blank, Let's check out this question, just one question over here. Fill in the blanks to create a valid table. Table tr here. Table row / table data here, and that's it. Check this out. That's the correct answer.